Good morning. Good morning, kids. Do you know what's our concept today? Yes, today I am going to say one story for you. Okay, kids? Story means everybody will be happy. Are you happy? Yes, I hope everybody you're happy. Okay, kids? Now I am going to say one butterfly story. Okay, kids? See here. Once there was a gardener named Ramu. What is a gardener? Do you know what is a gardener? Yes, gardener means he will take care of the garden. See here, look at this garden everybody. See, garden means we can see many flowers, butterflies and bees. Am I right? In the garden, we can see the colorful flowers. Am I right? Yes. So Ramu only the gardener of this garden who took care of that garden. Next, he loved very much about the flowers. He loved very much flowers in the garden. Next, he used to watch the bud which will turn into a flower. Next, one day, one fine summer morning, while he was watering the plant, he saw a beautiful flower. He saw a beautiful flower. If you see the butterfly, how do you feel? Everybody will be happy? Yes. So likewise, Ramu also very happy because butterfly is so colorful and cute. Yes, am I right? Yes, in this butterfly only we can see the many colors. Am I right, kids? Yes. Next, the butterfly came and introduced the Ramu that, "Hi, I'm Benny the butterfly." See here? "Hi, I'm Benny the butterfly. I wanted to thank you because you only take care of all the flowers in the garden." Next, the Ramu said, "You're most welcome, Benny." Then the Ramu said to the butterfly, "You're most welcome, Benny. I am Ramu." Now, next the Ramu is introducing himself. "I am Ramu. I am the gardener of this garden." Next, Ramu said, "Come, Benny, let me show you what are the flowers in the garden, then how it's become a flower from the bud, how it will become a flower from the bud." Next, Benny said, "Okay, Ramu, I'll come and show you." Next, the Benny showed the next the Ramu saw the flower. See, first he's showing the bud. Next, the butterfly said, "Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah, let's wait for some days. From the bud only we can get a beautiful flower." Yes. Next, after some days, they will saw the beautiful flowers in the garden. They became very happy. Next, the butterfly said, "Thank you so much, Benny, for showing the flowers and buds. Do you know what are the parts of the flower? Do you know what are the different parts in the flower?" Next, Ramu said, "No, I don't know the parts of the flower. You tell me, I'll learn." Next, the Benny said, "Come, I'll teach you what are the parts in the flower." Yes. Next, Benny said, "See here, Ramu. Yes, see here, look at here. This is only the stem of the flower. This is only the stem of the flower. This stem only holds the flower straight. See here, this is only stem of the flower, you know. Yes, this stem only hold the flower straight." Yes. Next, see this part? Yes, this is only sepal. What's the name of the part? This is only sepal. See, this sepal only, this apple only save the bud which will become until become a flower. This sepal only save the bud until it becomes a flower. Next, the Ramu said, I know what next part you are going to say. Yes, I know one part of the flower. That is a petal. Am I right, Benny? Yes, you are absolutely correct, Ramu. Yes, this is a petals of the flower. See, this is only the petals of the flower. See here, these are the petals of this flower. Yes. Next, Ramu said, thank you so much, Benny, for teaching me what are the parts in the flower. Next, Benny said, bye-bye, Benny, bye-bye, Ramu. It's time to go to my home. I have to prepare the food which from the flowers. Bye-bye. Next, Ramu said, bye, Benny. Okay, kids, what do you learn from the story? Yes, from this story, we learn what are the parts in that flower. Am I right or not? Yes. See this flower, everybody. Look at this flower. This is only stem of the flower. See here. This is only the stem of the flower. This stem only hold the flowers straight. Next, see here. This is only sepal. See, this is only sepal of this flower. See here. See, we can see in this. See here. Everybody see this flower? Yes. This is only sepal. What's the name of the part? Everybody say. Yes. This is only sepal of this flower. Yes. This sepal only save the bud which will until it becomes a flower. What's the name of the part? Yes. This is a sepal. This is only save the bud until it becomes a flower. Okay, kids. Next, what is this part? Yes, Ramu said you know. So Ramu knows only one part. Am I right? Yes, this is only petals of the flower. Can you understand, kids? Can you understand? Yes. What are the parts in the flowers? Come on. Let me tell you one more time. See here. Stem. Look at the stem. This is the stem of the flower. This is, what's the name of the flower? What's the name of the part? This is only sepal. Everybody say sepal. Next, you tell me, what is this part? Everybody repeat, what is this part? This is only petals. Okay, kids? Today, ma'am, I taught you only 3 parts in the flower. Okay, kids? If you find time, means if you have a just explore what are the parts in the flower. Okay, kids?
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I am a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plant so it doesn't fall. I am a stem and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots, to them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green. In many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight. Just like you, I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful of white. I have very sweet nectar in me that's loved by birds, butterflies and bees. I am a fruit from a flower I grow. I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry. I'll try to be more careful next time.